Hey guys, Lou with Advanblack here. Today we'll be installing bag liners on the Low Rider ST clamshell bags. All right guys, first thing we need to do here, obviously open up the bag. We got a clip up on top here and a clip on the bottom for the actuator. We start by popping the retaining clip off, getting this off here. That way we can get this netting off. Okay, we can either get a small flathead or like myself, a knife here, get underneath this, pop it up, and it pops right off. Okay, this side was a T40. Over here we have a 1/2 inch deep socket. And on the back here we have 2 more that are T40s as well. Okay guys, so all this is doable with the bag on the bike. I think it's a lot better if you remove it, just to avoid having the bag hit the pipes. You can do it on a table or on a towel. This would be our next step. You get a Velcro with the liners. Obviously cut them to size, put them around the perimeter so the liner can adhere to it. Okay guys, so once we've placed all the Velcro on both sides of the bags, make sure you have the correct sides of the liners and the center strip. Once you've identified those and determined they go in place, then we can continue with the install. Takes a little finessing to get it right, but they fit right in. This flap here gives you access to the locking mechanism. That's one side done. There you have it. Now all we have left is a middle liner. Okay guys, so to identify the 2 center pieces, the side with the curve goes on your left saddlebag. The other side, the other one doesn't have the curve. That one's the one that goes on the right saddlebag. I'll be attaching one side, putting the bag back on the bike, and then finalizing the second side. All right guys, so we'll be repeating the same process we did on the first side, on this side, starting off by popping off the actuator. Now I'll be removing the bag like we did on the other side. Start with removing all the T40 screws. 1/2 inch socket to remove the last one. So that concludes the installation of the bag liners on the Low Rider ST El Diablo. We want to thank Bartels for letting us come out and install on site. And if you guys have any questions, just reach out at advanblack.com.